The truck import page in LoadCall operates the same as every other import page and is very similar, especially to the trailer page. But we'll go ahead and run through an example really quick. We'll click on the green Create Import session and create a new import here, and we're going to select a CSV file. I've already downloaded the template, and you notice right here that it's important that the type needs to either be tractor or pickup, otherwise the import won't work. So over here in LoadCall, in the truck import page, you can see the required fields are name, carrier, owner, type, which I copied and pasted this from the trailer one in a previous video, since it's pretty much the exact same required fields. License plate, state, VIN, make, model, year. And so we'll go ahead and take this data row that I created, and we're going to replace the required fields, and we will export this as a CSV file in order to import it into LoadCall. So back in LoadCall, I can select that CSV file, and you can see that everything maps properly, and we'll go ahead and lock the mapping. And because there are associations, we'll have to make sure those match up. Once again, with this test carrier, it is case sensitive and spelling needs to be the same. So I did not have an identical match. So we have to come in here and find the correct carrier to lock into. But once we do that, we click Build a Sub Associations, zip through that, and we can upload this truck into LoadCall. So import test, I'm going to archive this, is now going to show up back on this main page somewhere. Looks like it's right here, import test. And we can see that we have all this information here. Now we're also going to do the exact same thing as we did in the trailer video. We're going to go back into imports, and we're going to upload a replacement field right here. So underneath the create replacement session, I'll go ahead and select a new CSV file. We need to come into here. It looks pretty much the same as the trailer replacement video, where the name is required, and we're going to go ahead and change the license plate to be just test. Now as I click and download this as a CSV file over here in LoadCall, we'll go ahead and click on select the replacement right here, so truck replacement. And after we go ahead and lock the mapping and jump through the rest of this, which doesn't apply for this import, we can replace the import license plate with test. So previously it was 1, 2, 3, 4, but now if we go back in and look at our import test, the license plate has been replaced to test. So useful if you have a bunch of bulk corrections that need to be made for trucks. And that pretty much sums up imports for trucks in LoadCall.